Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to find the TikTok blue line filter. So first of all, launch TikTok app on your mobile device, then tap on the plus button that you see at the bottom of your screen. Now go to the option of effects at the bottom left. Now go to the search option and then you can simply search for blue line filter. Now, if you come across the search results and you don't see the blue line filter over here, then what you can do is just go back and go to your friends option and go to the search bar, then search for blue line filter over here. Now from here, you will come across various search results. Tap on a video and you can see the name of the filter. If you tap on it and tap on use this effect, you can record a video accordingly. So you can see this is the TikTok's blue line filter. Now you can tap on next and post this video accordingly on your TikTok account. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.